Alright there, it's people, guys, anybody that's watching, thank you for turning on. Just a little bit of an amusing day. We had lunch planned out as a family, and unfortunately the main feed valves of our water supply just decided it would break off. So I had water gushing from everywhere, and the whole thing was switched down, and I had to go out and find something that would replace the hole in the wall, i.e. a tap. That's the tap. Okay. I took Daniel with me, just purely to get him out of the house, and it turned into a very interesting day. I didn't go out with the intention of filming anything. I don't film on the streets. I just do whatever comes naturally, and it turned into something extremely interesting. Before I show you what happened, and it's basically down to, I was looking for a tap that would fill the hole and stop the water gushing out so we can turn it all back on. Daniel came to me and said, Daddy, I've seen some orange, yellow, green, turquoise, purple, every colour in the rainbow, chickens, come and look. And I went, yeah, okay, it's penny franca. It must be the balloons, just wait. He said no, and he pulled me out. I went outside, and I've been in Asia for nearly 20 years. I've never seen anything like it in my life, and I've got to hold my hands up to the guy that did this. It's rainbow chickens, and it's true. I'll show you the video. And having said that, then we went to the mall to get something else that we had to go and get. And Daniel decided he'd tell the police. The police were all from Legazpi. I've got to say a big thank you to the police from Legazpi who looked after us, were so sweet, they were so loving to Daniel, and we've got new friends. So I'd just like to show you this, and it is true, and it's not planned. I just hope you like it. If you do, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, send it to your friends, share, whatever. We're all always here. Thank God. Just support these kids and follow the kids. Okay. I just hope you enjoy it because it is funny as I won't swear. Thank you. Bye bye. Did you? Did he bite you? Did he bite you, Daniel? Unbelievable. They're amazing.
2, 3, hold, smile.
This is clear. He's got the innovation. I've been in Asia nearly 20 years. I've never seen anything like this. These are chicks, chicken chicks, not duck chicks or anything.
How about this one?
And they're every conceivable colour. Which one do you like, Daniel?
Do you like green? There's one more.
Orange, pink, blue, and they're 30 pesos each. Never ever have I seen anything like that. Daniel, are they nice? What's happened? Did they bite you? Oh dear. Just move so I can see them. Look. All right, son, you fell on the thing. Look at that. Mind your head. So it just gives you an idea of the innovation of these guys.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Daniel's made some new friends in SM. He's with the local police, Daniel. So hello to everybody. What do you say, Daniel? Daniel, wave bye-bye. Say thank you, Mr. Policeman and woman. He's shy. That's great. Latest update. Legazpi police inform us they dyed the chickens different colours. What a shame. I thought I'd seen something amazing amongst the 7 wonders of the world. But that's Bicol and the Philippines. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.